we'll guide you through how to make HDR in Lightroom. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, double-click Adobe Lightroom on your PC to launch the application. Once Lightroom is open, import the bracketed photos you want to merge into the program. After the photos have been imported successfully, select all the bracketed photos in the library module by highlighting each image that belongs to the HDR sequence. Once all the required photos are selected, right-click the selected images to open the context menu. From the available options, hover your cursor over Photo Merge to display the merge options. Next, select HDR to begin creating a high dynamic range image from the selected photos. When the HDR Merge preview window appears, enable Auto Align if needed to automatically correct any slight camera movement between the bracketed exposures. After that, enable Auto Settings if you want Lightroom to apply automatic tonal adjustments to the merged image. If there are moving objects between the bracketed shots, adjust the deghost amount as necessary to reduce unwanted ghosting artifacts in the final HDR photo. Choose the appropriate deghost level based on the amount of movement detected in the images. Once these settings have been configured, review the HDR preview carefully to make sure the merged image looks natural and all important details have been combined correctly. Examine the highlights, shadows, and overall exposure before continuing. If everything appears correct, click Merge to create the HDR image. Wait while Lightroom processes the selected photos and generates the new HDR file. After the merge process is complete, locate and select the newly created HDR photo in the library module. Next, click the Develop module to access the editing workspace and make any additional refinements.